Priti and you're watching my resolution. In this video, I'll be teaching about the gallbladder, the histology of gallbladder, normal histology. This histology you should not neglect, because in second year also you will be requiring this, because this histology, what are the changes in the normal histology will be that the histopathology. So you need to concentrate on this. That is histology of gallbladder. Under the microscope, you have to make a gallbladder, take a section, and if you stain and then observe under the microscope, you look like this. The gallbladder looks like this. This is the microscopic structure of the gallbladder, and you have to write the diagram like this, a diagram, and then explain few points for a 5-mark question in a theory exam, or else in the practicals you have, for a spotters, you need to write the 2 points of these things. I guess you already know all about this. Now I'll be discussing. First I'll go through the diagram, I'll explain the diagram, then I'll discuss the points regarding this gallbladder. You can see that everything, almost all the GIT will be lined by the 4 layers, that is mucosa, submucosa, muscularis and serosa. But in gallbladder you can see only 3 layers, that is this mucosa and the fibromuscular layer, last one serosa. Serosa also we can call, and adventitia also we can call this thing as the outermost thing. I'll say when we call serosa and adventitia also in the further after explaining this. This mucosa is lined by the gallbladder. Why we need gallbladder? To store bile. Bile is produced in the liver and it is sent into the gallbladder, and it is stored in the gallbladder. So what is the function of the gallbladder? Why it should be stored there? It concentrates the bile, and it also acidifies the bile. So to concentrate the bile, it requires more surface area. So obviously there will be a villi, small villi on this. The lining epithelium of the gallbladder will be columnar epithelium with the microvilli, similar to duodenum. All GIT, from there it will be columnar epithelium only, a columnar epithelium with a microvilli. This is the lining epithelium. I guess you will never forget. The lining epithelium, this columnar epithelium with the characteristic features is a tall cells. The length will be more than the width, and the nucleus is placed at the base, basally placed nucleus. This thing is known as polarity. You need to know that this arrangement of nucleus is proper, means this is a proper polarity. If a nucleus is arranged at a different place, that is, it has lost polarity. You can see in the cancerous conditions. And these are mucosal folds. Why we need folds means it increases surface area. Instead of like this and like this, it has so many folds like this, so it increases surface area. I guess you got this lining epithelium and mucosal folds. You can see the depth of this. There will be, at the depth there will be crypts. Crypts are lined also lined by the columnar epithelium. And then after mucosa there will be after mucosa lamina propria. Lamina propria is also a part of the mucosa. This lamina propria contains connective tissue and few blood vessels. After that, fibromuscular layer, that is fibroblast cells, and few muscle cells you can show, and the last one is a serosal layer, serosa or adventitia, and here also you can see few blood vessels. This is all you have to write about for the histology. Lining epithelium, columnar epithelium with a microvilli, and the mucosal folds there will be crypts and lamina propria with a connective tissue, and fibromuscular layer. Lastly, adventitia or serosa. I'll say a few points. That is, the mucosa is lined by it has thrown into folds and lined by the columnar epithelium with a brush bordered microvilli. And the fibromuscular wall, you can see these are 2 important features you need to mention when the identification of the slide. And it has 3 layers. Mucosal layer is columnar epithelium with a lamina propria. They have microvilli which increase absorption and also for the concentration of the bile. This increases surface area. Fibromuscular layer is made up of connective tissue and smooth muscle fibers. Outer serosal layer, peritoneal covering made up of this flat squamous cells. Areas which are not covered by this serous membrane will only be covered by the loose connective tissue. Where it is not covered by the peritoneum, it is only covered by the loose connective tissue, is known as adventitia, or else it is serosa. Outer layer is called as serosa when it is covered by the flat squamous cells. When it is not covered by these flat squamous cells, this is known as adventitia. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.